So we have an ad creator. You could create the flyer. You can also email your buyers that are on your buyers list here. You can search for buyers that you have saved to the system and just over on the main menu. So not only can you save your buyers, you can save all your contact. This is where I would be pulling that list from. Now, once I market this property, obviously we're looking for a buyer. I'm gonna mark that complete. And now I need to put it under contract. However, I'm getting rid of this particular property. And then I can go to closing at this particular point. Now, we do have a nice map here with suggested title companies. None of these title companies or attorneys' offices have any agreement with REI Pro. We're just displaying them, especially for people that are just getting started and don't know where to go. Okay, so you can obviously get their contact information right here and utilize the map too. So you can zoom in and look at different title companies right from the map as well. You can also add in your own as well. You could also search, and if you have a favorite, maybe you only invest in one area, you could obviously save that.